Okay, there it is. First casualty of the solar panels. You can see that shaft bent. That's one of the rams for the solar panels to be able to move them back and forth to follow the sun. They worked fine, and possibly if you had really good control of everything, all the alignment and everything on it, which you never seem to have, it probably would have worked. I don't know how long it would have lasted, but I tried to straighten the ram. I was wasting my time. You can see it broke the plastic on there. You know, and I attempted, you know, trying to straighten the ram and stuff, but you know, the aluminum shaft, the ram, is aluminum, which would be fine if it was a good quality aluminum. It's not. It's low-end stuff. So this is not going to work. I've got two of these. The other one is still working. I don't know how long it's going to work. It might continue to work okay. We'll see. But anyway, this thing is toast. I really couldn't find a way to make this thing work. I decided there was another way. If you look at travel trailer accessories, you'll see an electric tongue jack. And they're about $100. I considered them before I did this, but I thought, well, let's experiment, see what happens. And so what I've done is once this thing failed, I went ahead and got an electric trailer jack, and it actually seems to work pretty good. It takes a little bit of modification, but not as much as I thought. It moves 18 inches, so that's as much as you're ever going to need. So let's look at this thing out on the solar panels. Okay, if you look at it, you see I've got it there. The ram's over there. This is really, really powerful, so you got to be sure you put end switches on it. The head's right there, and I put a little shield over the motor because this thing's out in the rain. I mean, normally a trailer jack will be out in the rain, but because this is sideways, you can see it's moving a little bit there. I wanted to cover that motor a little bit. The motor's just a standard little reversible motor. Nothing much to it. You just reverse the power to it and it goes the other way. I'll show you the rest of the setup, you know, at a later time when I'm dealing with this a little more in a couple other things. But I have end switches on it, and so that it doesn't go all the way out. And that's what I'm using. That's probably what's going to work for the future. Just so you can see, boy, we're got tons of sun here today. Hardy, har. The panel is looking towards the sun, but it's not doing much. I'll show you what the wattage is coming out of it. Okay, you can see we're 3.34 amps and 40 watts. She's really cooking today. Not gonna get much out of it. Anyway, that's it on this one.